Paper presentation and answer writing are your first impression to your examiner, and that should be excellent, outstanding, जो भी बोलना चाहो, ठीक है. So in this video I'm going to talk about paper presentation and answer writing in detail on exam sheet, वो भी real वाली. And we are going to talk about many small tips too. For example, to leave lines, how much questions के बाद में leave line करनी है, along with that many more keywords, underline the keywords, how to write even a small thank you. मतलब everything is going to be there in this video, and that is going to be very important for you guys. So watch this video till the end. And specifically for English language, I'm going to talk about today in this video of ICSE class 10. So yes, let us begin.
So these are the ICSE class 10 40 sample papers of EduCart, which provides us the full detailed question papers, solution papers, as well as answer sheets along with sealed ones. So yes, this is all about. You can buy this from the link in the description box, and you can use my coupon code for additional discounts. So here comes the OMR sheet, which is the front page of answer booklet. And if you don't know how to solve it, so you can comment down below OMR. So I will make a video for that too. And it's the second page. Answers which are written by myself, as I am an 11th grader but still writing answers for ICSE class 10 for you guys. So hit like if this video helps. And yes, let us begin now कि आप लोगों को क्या क्या करना चाहिए. Move to the first page, that is this. Now you're thinking that why here it is written question number 5. As I have told you in the video of English language last minute tips, that I always start questions which are easier for me and which are like कि बहुत जल्दी से हो जाएंगे. So I just start from those. So here I started writing question number 5, which was the grammar section. First of all, let me tell you that how you should write question number. You can write question number over here only, between of both the margins and between of the page. After that, you have to write the question number either here, or you can write over here too, as I have written somewhere else. For example, here. Okay, you can write like this also. This is how your answer should look like in your grammar section. Okay, you have to write the question number like this, then underline that, because you have to show your examiner very neat and clean answer booklet, because that is your first impression. Okay, now you have to write the questions like this. Okay, after doing that, after completing the first question, you have to move towards the second question, but you can skip 2 lines between that, so that आप बीच में एक line draw कर सको. Okay, after that you have to move towards second questions like that only. Now moving towards the third question, that is here. This is how your question third, that is of tick the correct, looks like. After that you should leave 1 line, and it is the fourth question of the question 5th. Coming towards question number 4. And here comes the question answer part of unseen passage of English language ICSE class 10th. How you can write the answer. First of all, write the question number. Secondly, write answer 1 of that. When you are writing any answer, you have to write answer or just A and S, and 1 A and S and 2 A and S 3 jo bhi. Okay, after that you have to start writing the questions from here. That's up to you, that you have to write the answer number over here or here, but it will look very neat if you will write over here. Okay, you have to write at least 3 to 4 lines. I have written more than that, but you have to write at least 3 to 4 lines, and whatever the question is asking, you have to do that within that only. Okay, now you have to underline the keywords as well, then only you will get 2 on 2. And here's the answer number 2nd, likewise answer number 3rd, and likewise answer number 4th. But this was not correct. Here comes the mistake part, in which I written wrong answer number and written the answer of another question. This happens to you also, so you can simply cut the answer number and write another one, and you can do this. Is common mistake, so it is totally fine, but you should write answer number very correctly. Okay, and it is the next question. Now when talking about Precis writing, so you can write Precis like this. You rough draft, you can draw 7 boxes over here and 7 boxes over here, and last one, that is 50th box, you can draw here, so that आपका पूरा का पूरा rough draft will be completed. And in fair draft you can write like this. Now talking about question number 3, that is our notice writing. You should complete your notice just like this, whatever I have written over here. First of all, have to give a beautiful name to your notice writing. After that, you have to give the full subject or full name of whatever writing or competition is there in your school. After that, you have to write on, from, and at. Now here the mistake part is I have written at from the between of this line. You don't have to do that. You have to complete the whole at, that is venue, in 1 line only, from, that is time, in 1 line only, and on in 1 line only. No need कि आप अलग-अलग line में लिखो. The 1 line will be enough for you. You can write the paragraph in this much lines only. And after completing your whole notice, you have to make a box around it so that it looks beautiful, and it is the criteria for that, so you should do that. You can make a single box around it, and you can just do a crisscross so that it feels very neat and clean, and after that you can go to the new part of email or any other thing which you are going to do. So this is how your email should look like. But one more thing is here. You have to always start your email letter from the new page only, because बाद में ऐसा करके last में कुछ छूट जाएगा. Okay, so you have to start your email from the new page only. This is the whole email, and after that if you are writing thank you here, so you don't have to write thank you like this or like this. You have to always write thank you like this, and yours faithfully XYZ head boy head girl. Okay, this is whole email format. Now talking about our question 2, that is letter. I always do formal letter. You can also do that because that's very scoring. The letter part only from the new page, as well as you have to complete that within that page only. No need to use extra page or write extra page for letter. One paragraph should consist of at least 5 lines, second should be for 4 lines, and third should be of 3 lines only. No need to write extra in letter. This is, and here comes essay, which is very scoring and it covers 20 marks, so you should do it very neat and clean. Now talking about how to put the question number, you have to write the question number like this, so that आपका जो यहाँ पर space cover हुई थी वो waste यहाँ पर ना जाए, and your essay will look very neat and clean over here. So here are the number of lines which you have to write for each paragraph in your essay, and you have to complete it within 2.5 page only. And that was all about full English language answer writing and paper presentation. You have to draw the lines like this, you have to underline the keywords as well, so that your copy looks best and your examiner can give you full on full marks. So yes, that was all about today's video. I hope it helped you. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel and share to your friends so that unko bhi help mil sake. Like to this video if it helped you. Bye bye.